Hello and welcome back. If this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, I'm going to introduce to you 3 unique and completely free resources offered by Adobe. Adobe is a leading software company focusing on multimedia and creative online resources. So if you yourself are an aspiring digital creator, such as a photographer or a graphic designer, then I suspect that you will find today's conversation to be resourceful. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. Adobe Express is a free web tool that offers unique multimedia templates, effects, and more. But 2 of my favorite functions are background removal and file conversions. Adobe Express offers users the ability to remove backgrounds of unwanted items from an image, placing them on a new transparent background. This is a great opportunity for graphic designers. Adobe Express also enables users to convert files, allowing for better maintenance and storage of your products. When designing, finding the right color theme can be challenging, but as long as you have inspiration, then Adobe Color can handle the rest. This free web application allows users to locate specific hex codes. These codes can then be used to select certain colors or hues in an editing program. Moreover, you can pull hex codes from images using Adobe Color's locator function, recreating color themes from your favorite images and stills. The next time you're looking for the perfect marketing image, video, or even 3D model, try using Adobe Stock's free library. Although Adobe Stock offers a larger collection of paid licensing, there are plenty of free models to choose from. To download from Adobe Stock, simply select Free at the top, then choose your format category. Assets that are free will be indicated in the Details menu. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and as always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. My name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.